How to connect controller to Stumble guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can connect your controller to Stumble guys. So without further ado, let's get started. If you want to connect your controller to Stumble guys, especially on your smartphone, you just have to connect it as you would normally do on your phone. So either way, this could be by a Bluetooth method, right? So you could have a paired using a Bluetooth if you have a wireless controller, and on the list of available devices you would have been able to connect it. Second is you could be connected using an OTG cable. After you've done that, either way, whether it is a wired connection or a wireless connection, the changes should instantly take place within Stumble guys, and you should be able to play using your controller. To check if your controller is connected or not on your Stumble guys on mobile phone, what you have to do is you have to just click on this icon, which is the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. So when you click this gear icon, and if you scroll down, and if your controller is properly connected, you'll find the option that says controller sensitivity. So after you make sure that it is connected, then you'll find the option called controller sensitivity, from which you will then be able to know your controller is connected, and you'll be able to begin playing with controller. That's all it takes to connect controller to Stumble guys. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.